If you guys want to learn the newest method on how to change your Xbox One gamertag for free multiple times, then this is a video for you. Let's get right into it. What is going on, everybody? Is once again Odeh here, bringing you guys another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your Xbox One gamertag for free, even if you've already changed it before. So anyways, the first thing you're going to do if you want to get a new gamertag for free is open up Google Chrome or any web browser. It doesn't matter. You can even do this on your phone if you want to. And once your browser is open, go into the description and copy this link. It'll be social.xbox.com. You could copy and paste it from the description, or you could just write it out yourself. It doesn't matter. It's just this link. And then just go ahead and press enter. And then you'll see that we are now at this Xbox page. It says choose your new gamer tag. It'll show your current gamer tag so you know which account you're on, and if you're not on the right account, you can sign in with a different account by clicking there. Now once you're signed into the account you want to change your name on, you just see right here it says enter new gamer tag. You click there and you just start typing anything out. So I'm just going to type my name out, which is Odeh. Now in case you guys haven't realized yet, this is an official way to change your gamer tag. Like, this is through Xbox, it's through Microsoft. So the new system they implemented in order for you to change your gamer tag is that they have a totally new ID system for gamer tags. So you can have the same gamer tag as someone else. So for example, Odeh, believe it or not, it's actually taken. So if I were to click next, since Odeh is already taken, there's going to be numbers next to my name. But I think this is kind of pointless because the only place where it would only show Odeh and not Odeh with the number is when I'm showing in a friends list. That's it. In the game, it'll look like Odeh1828. But if you do have an original name that isn't taken, you can of course put that in too, and it won't have numbers. So for example, if I do that, you can see that it won't have any numbers. It'll just be changed like normal, and then you can click claim, and then you just sign out, sign back in, and you're good to go. It'll be changed. But I did change my name from that view to Odeh, so I'm not gonna change anything else. I like how my name is. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If this did help you out, you all know what to do. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you do enjoy the videos. If you guys want any other tutorials, or if you need help, leave a comment down below. I will be very quick to reply. And yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you all in my next video. Peace out, everybody.